If your engine has been dealing with sludge buildup, rough idling, or reduced performance over time, using the right engine flush before an oil change may help clean out deposits and keep things running smoother. In today's countdown, we're looking at 5 engine flush products that stand out for their popularity, cleaning ability, and overall value. Make sure you stick around until the end, because the number 1 pick may be the most practical overall choice for regular maintenance. And as always, prices and availability can change, so check the links in the description for the latest updates. Starting at number 5, we have the Dura Lube Sludge Away Engine Cleaner. This formula is aimed at drivers dealing with sludge buildup and oil coking inside the engine. According to the product details, it's designed to help clean internal engine parts while reducing future sludge accumulation. It may be a useful option for older engines or vehicles that haven't had regular maintenance in a while. Priced around $48.80, this product currently holds a 4.6-star rating with over 100 reviews. If you're trying to improve oil circulation and clean out deposits before your next oil change, this one could be worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the XADO Engine Oil System Cleaner. Explore XADO's advanced solutions for engines, transmissions, and fuel systems. Our innovative nanotechnology repairs damaged metal surfaces, treating and reviving your vehicle's parts for enhanced performance and extended life. What sets XADO apart? XADO's distinctive approach lies in its nanotechnology, which revitalizes engines and mechanical parts. This innovation delivers unmatched performance and longevity. Using XADO can lead to a longer lifespan for your engine and mechanical components, increased efficiency, and robust protection against wear. XADO's revitalizing solutions protect your engine, prevent expensive repairs, and enhance performance for a smoother ride. At number 3, we have the XADO Engine Oil System Cleaner with Anti-Carbon Effect. This cleaner is designed for deeper engine cleaning and targets sludge, carbon deposits, and buildup inside the oil system. XADO says the formula may help restore oil flow and improve overall engine cleanliness, especially in engines that have seen extended use. At around $22.99, it currently carries a solid 4.6-star rating with nearly 600 reviews. This could be useful for drivers looking for a more intensive cleaning treatment before switching to fresh oil. And if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to subscribe for more automotive product reviews and maintenance guides. Now at number 2, we have the XADO Total Flush Motor Oil Cleaner. This product is designed to remove carbon deposits and help restore mobility in clogged engine components. It may be a good fit for drivers experiencing sluggish engine behavior or buildup from longer oil intervals. It currently holds a strong 4.7-star rating, and many users appreciate its focus on deep cleaning performance. If your engine has been showing signs of heavy contamination or restricted oil flow, this one could be worth checking out before your next oil change. And finally, taking the number 1, we have the Liqui Moly Pro-Line Engine Flush. Liqui Moly is one of the more recognized names when it comes to engine maintenance products, and this flush is designed specifically to clean and flush oil systems before replacing old oil. The formula is intended to dissolve sludge and deposits while helping improve oil circulation throughout the engine. At approximately $19.99, it also offers strong value considering its performance and popularity. It currently holds an impressive 4.7-star rating with more than 300 reviews, making it one of the most trusted products in today's lineup. For drivers looking for a balanced combination of affordability, reputation, and cleaning capability, this may be the strongest overall pick. That wraps up our countdown of the top engine flush products available right now. If you want to check current prices or learn more about any of the products featured today, you'll find all the links down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.